I have a full-time job that I'll do sort of Monday to Friday. I really wanted to put as much time into my music production as possible, and that's exactly why I picked Point Blank.
Just being able to learn new things all the time whenever I'm here is just a great experience every week.
It gave me like loads of confidence, and working with teachers that have got so much industry experience and well connected. When they told me I was good, I believed it.
It was very back and forwards between the tutor and the students, which is quite good. It's not your traditional like teaching where you just sit there and just like watch slides or read books, or you just listen to the tutor talking to you.
All the lecturers I met since I've been here, they all come with a wealth of experience. I think one of the best parts about it and the way they kind of teach is that it's very active.
I've learned so much, and when I've been going through like difficult times, they've been really helpful.
In terms of studios, you got amazing studios. There's a lot of studios available for the students, studio time, studio equipment.
If you're serious about music production in general and you really want to get up to a good standard, it's by far the best place out there.